Hello friends, today we are extremely saddened once again to inform you all again regarding the sad demise of one more of our colleague, late Digendra Malaka, who is a resident of Kamalpur subdivision, Devishara. It is just few kilometers from Halhali market and it is in Dolai district. During his service tenure, late Digendra Malaka had served in the capacity of undergraduate teacher. And after illegal job termination, he had gone into extreme mental depression, and today, due to heart attack, he had lost his life. He had lost his precious life, which no one can return back again to the family. And by today, the death toll have already reached 122. And this death toll is likely to increase day by as the day goes by. Because the education department, till today, till this point of time, the education department is not coming forward to rescue the livelihood of all these 10,300 teachers. The government is least bothered. They have forgotten the vision document promises. By now, these 10,300 teachers are already sitting at home for nearly 2 years, without work, without pay. But if we flash back to 2018 vision document promises, it had clearly stated that if BJP government come into power, they will immediately solve the burning issue of 10,300 teachers. But these teachers today are dying one after another. Day by day, the death toll is increasing, whereas these teachers are not guilty. As per the judgment of High Court 2014, all the teachers were never covered by the judgment of 2014. And without guilty and without proper scrutiny of the verdict 2014, the education department had illegally terminated all these 10,300 teachers. So this illegal termination had caused a severe depression in all the individuals of 10,300 teachers. And because of this blunder mistake that was done by education department, today 10,300 is suffering and all are in extreme depression, and this depression is increasing rather than decreasing because these teachers are left out of work and left out of job illegally by education department. If we look into the judgment of 2014, we were neither respondent, we were neither petitioner. Only there was a challenge against 462 teachers. And the rest were never challenged by the verdict of 2014 Tonmaina judgment. So, when we were never guilty by the court judgment, how could education department illegally terminate all these victim teachers? So it is because of this blunder mistake today the death toll have reached 122. And a few days back, you all must have seen in social media regarding one RTI copy which was done by Bastap Debarma, who is a teacher of SSA, Samagraha Shiksha Abhijan. In the RTI, it had been clearly mentioned that recruitment between 2002 to 2012, they were all recruited by 1971 recruitment rules. But if we look to the judgment of 2014 Tonmaina judgment, Tonmaina have challenged the recruitment rule 2003, terming as illegal. But if you see the RTI copy, the government have done the recruitment of all these 10,330 teachers by the recruitment rules 1971. So this is one more strong point to be very much, this point should be brought to the knowledge of every 10,330 teachers when Tanmoy Nath have challenged the policy of 2003 as illegal. But whereas the RTI copy says that we were recruited by 1971 recruitment policy. So how could these jobs be terminated? The education should answer to this question. It is very confusing if you compare the RTI and if you compare the judgment of 2014. So it is high time that BJP IPFT government come forward and rescue the livelihood of all these victim teachers, or else the death toll will increase day by day. And now the present situation of maximum families are very much worsening day by day. Because after illegal termination by Education Department, many teachers, many of our colleagues have become a day laborer. They have become hand to mouth. If they don't work, they are unable to provide food for their families. So why are we facing this situation? It is only because of the blunder mistake that was done by the Education Department. Till date, the Education Department is unable to issue us individual termination letter. You all must have seen when these teachers were terminated in 2020, 31st March, a common termination letter was given. If you look at the termination letter and if you read it out, there were reasons mentioned only about Supreme Court and High Court. Then after that, we were turned into ad hoc, and after the ad hoc period got over, these teachers were terminated. But whereas in the judgment, we were never made a party with this 2014 verdict. So it is our humble request to Education Department and Honorable Government of Tripura to rectify this order, because we were never made a party. And in order to look into this matter, the government of Tripura had formed an inquiry commission. Many months back, that formed an inquiry commission. But till date, till today, the government is not publishing the report of inquiry commission. So, on behalf of Joint Movement Committee, I request the Honorable State Government to publish this inquiry commission report. And what lies in commission report, this should be brought to public domain. Because without any guilty, all these innocent teachers should not suffer. That is very important thing. The policy, as per the judgment, 2003 policy has been termed as illegal. But whereas when advertisement was given, all these 10,330 teachers had fulfilled all the criteria as per the advertisement given by Government of Tripura, and accordingly all were issued offer letter, appointment letter, and accordingly they have joined in their place of posting. We had never thought that someday these things, this situation, we have to face this situation. We had never thought about that. But today, if the policy is illegal, then it is the duty of the government to frame a new policy. But the innocent teachers' lives should not be affected. If the policy is illegal, let the government frame new employment policy, and as per the order after 2014 judgment, accordingly government had framed new employment policy. So now it is time that government should think for the livelihood of all these teachers. If the policy is illegal, then the new policy may be framed, but all these innocent teachers' lives should be saved. Because, when the 10,300 teachers' jobs were given, there were many downtrodden families who got a job, and many families from BPL category were offered a job. But till now, if you go and see the record in Tahsil or anywhere else, we are still the record of the Tahsil, the record that exists in Tahsil. Till now it shows that we are employed. So even if we want to go to our previous BPL category, it is not possible anymore. And it has been learned from many social media and from many friends also, that they had gone to Tahsil office to make the existing APL card into BPL category, as those families were actually BPL before they got into job. But as the record shows that the concerned person is still working under government of Tripura, they are unable to go to the previous BPL category. So that is why the department should look into this matter. If 10,300 teachers have really lost their jobs, have legally lost their jobs, till today, why the government of Tripura and why is the department unable to issue the individual termination letter? This is the biggest question. These things had never happened in the state of Tripura till date. If we have lost our jobs, then individual termination letter should be issued to us, citing under which writ petition and who is the respondent, who is the petitioner, mentioning all these details. They should issue us individual termination letter. Or else, Joint Movement Committee will go for a much larger protest in the coming days. We are not just going to leave behind all these protests and all this fight. Unless we get justice, Joint Movement will come forward for legal protests and legal fight. We are not just going to sit at home till the steps is not taken by the government of Tripura for the permanent settlement of our livelihood. We are not going to sit at home. In the coming days, we will come up with a much larger protest, because the reason is that Education Department had illegally terminated us. The Education Department should issue us a common termination letter, or else restore the jobs of all these 10,300 teachers, because all are aware and all knows the truth, what is the hidden truth behind this judgment. All are not covered by terminal judgment. Every individual 10,300 knows that. Only there was allegation against 462 teachers. All were never covered by the judgment. So if 10,300 have really lost their jobs, the Education Department should issue us a common termination letter. Individual termination letter, citing the reason, who had challenged us, under which writ petition I was challenged. All these details should be mentioned. Then we can accept the individual termination letter also. There is no doubt about it. And accordingly, the employer, and along with that, the employment exchange card can also be returned to us. So, my dear friends, be strong, be mentally strong and physically strong. Get ready for the fight in coming days. We are not going to sit at home. It is high time that we fight for our bread and butter, because without any guilty all this 10,323 is suffering today. And it is the responsibility of the government. If the common citizen of the state suffers, it is the duty of the government to look into this matter and to look into this burning issue. The government should play their important role in saving the livelihood of all these 10,323 teachers. So it is our humble request to Honorable CM, Honorable Government of Tripura, humble request to Director Madam to kindly correct this error, issue a corrigendum order. By just issuing a corrigendum order, the Government of Tripura can resume our job. Because we were never guilty and we were never covered by Tonmoina judgment. So, I again, my humble request to Honorable CM, as early as possible, kindly resume the jobs of the 10,323 teachers. Or else, today the death toll is 122 and this death toll will increase as the days goes by. So it is only the Government of Tripura, Honorable CM, the department can come forward and solve this burning issue. Thank you so much.